Hello friends, thank you for watching this video with me.
First, I need to say thank you to the owner of the car because accept to make this video.
In this video you'll see a back Volkswagen Jetta MK1 custom interior project. Unfortunately you'll see just final part of this amazing transformation. You don't see every day on streets a car like this. Now in these days it's a unique car. This make from this car more amazing project. Airway suspension, amazing rims, amazing interior, all on a Volkswagen Jetta MK1. Congrats! You will see all the change through the video. Please tell me in comment section below what do you think about this car. Remember, all these videos on this channel are made only in collaboration with the car owner and only with his approval. So if you have a project with your car and you want to show that project here on this channel, you will find in the description all you need to contact me.
Bound only by frozen memories. Lost in time, racing all these broken
Drop a like if you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more, and see you guys later.